John School. Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Really, it is a great pleasure to me to say some words about our school. The name of our school is Anandamargo School. It is an English medium kindergarten school. The school stands at Noskorpur in Champadanga. Our school begins at 10:30 a.m. with a prayer and close at 2:30 p.m. We learn English, Bengali, mathematics, social science and many other subjects in this school. We also learn discipline, etiquette, manners, morality in this school. We study, play, sing and dance in this school. We deeply respect our teachers and they also love us very much. Sometimes we enjoy cultural programs and go for pleasure trips. We are proud of our school. I would request you all to visit